Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going through a quick stretch for our upper body and neck. So really targeting our shoulders and upper back, especially if we're hunched over all day at a desk or just looking at our phone even. So you don't need any equipment for this. You can do this in your kitchen while you're waiting for your tea to brew, wherever you are. So we're just gonna start in Tadasana. And our feet are going to be hip width distance if you're comfortable, or if you'd like a wider foundation like I do, let's take our feet out wide. Soften through your knees and let's bring our hips right over our heels and then our shoulders right over our hips. Pull this low belly in to keep our low back intact. We'll just take a few breaths here. Noticing if we're breathing shallow or deep. And then the next couple breaths, try to really expand through your belly. Be inhaling and exhaling out through your nose if you'd like. Our next inhale, if your eyes are open or closed, it doesn't matter. Arms will reach up over our head. And then exhale, cactus open your arms onto the horizon, lifting our chest and lifting our chin, really squeezing our shoulder blades back here. Pull that low belly in so we don't sway in our low back. Breathe, inhale, intentional movement, lift those arms up towards the sky, drop your shoulders down. Exhale, cactus, open your arms, spread those fingertips wide, and pull your elbows and shoulders back. One more, inhaling, reaching up. Exhale, cactus, open these arms. Stay here, breathe, lift your chest, pull your low ribs and belly button to spine. Soften through your knees if you feel like you're hyperextending them backwards. Next, inhale, our arms are going to come forward, still in this cactus formation. Elbows, forearms, and palms touch. Inhale, coming back. Exhale, they touch in the center. And inhale will open you up, chest lifts. And then exhale, we'll pull them back in. One more round. Inhaling. And then exhale. Inhale, arms open wide like a T. We're going to take our right arm under left. Now you can cross at your elbows, wrap at your forearms, taking this into an eagle. Or you can grab opposite shoulders here like you're giving yourself a hug. I'm going to take eagle arms here. Your palms don't have to touch. My fingertips are just in my palm here. We're going to inhale, lift our fingertips or elbows to the sky. Really stretching our backside body, and then exhale, pressing through our upper back as we hinge forward slightly. Fingertips are pointing forward or down. Inhale will bring us up, and then exhale will pull you down. Again, softening through your knees here, so you're not hyperextending, grounding down through your feet. And inhale will bring you up. Gaze follows as you exhale. Round down. Last one, inhaling. And then exhale. Inhale, coming back onto the horizon, arms open wide here. Then exhale, left arm under right this time, cross wrap and twist, or grab opposite shoulders. Inhale, fingertips reach towards the sky. Exhale, begin to hinge forward. Inhale, lifting towards the sky. Exhale, hinging forward, gaze can follow. Soften through your knees. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, coming down. Last round, inhaling, lifting up. Exhale, rounding down. Inhale, come back through center, arms reach wide. Let's shake them out real quick here. Shake out our wrists. Now we're going to take our right arm up and over and pat ourselves on the back here. Now you can keep this elbow lifting by itself and take your left hand to your hip here, or you can bring this left hand to your right elbow if you'd like to give it a deeper stretch. Again, we're going to inhale, lift through center, chin stays on the horizon, and then we're going to gently take our hips and shift them to the right side of the room, stretching down this right side body. Being careful not to really crunch into our left. Again, chin is lifting, maybe gaze comes to the sky. You can always be here, This is a deep enough stretch for you. One more round of breath. Inhale, come back through center. Let's take this hand to our hip. Left hand comes up and over as we pat ourselves on the back. Again, you can stay here, or you can take this right hand to our elbow. Inhale, lift and lengthen, chin is on the horizon. Then exhale, begin to send your hips to the left side of the room as you put a little bit of pressure on this elbow if that hand is up and over. Gaze can come to the ceiling. Low belly pulls in. Again, not really crunching through this right side, so still lifting and lengthening. Breathing here, chest is lifting. We're going to inhale, come back through center. Again, shaking out our hands. Let's bring those wrists out and hands out in front of us. So my hands are palm face down. I'm going to gently drop my wrists so my fingertips are reaching towards the earth. Really stretch to this back side of our hands here. Drop your shoulders down if you brought them with you. Inhale, fingertips reach towards the sky, working on this little rotation in our arms. Exhale, come back down. Lift your chest, inhaling. Exhale. Inhale, fingertips reach up. Exhale, they come down. Hands come down by our side. I'm going to turn to face this way. So we're going to take our hands out in front of us. All 10 fingers interlace. My right thumb is on top here. I'm going to take a deep inhale. Soften through your knees. And then exhale, begin to pull your chin towards your chest as you punch your knuckles forward, stretching in between your shoulder blades now. Belly button is pulling in towards my spine, and I'm still softening through my knees so I don't hyperextend backwards. Really bring your chin to your chest and try to punch your fingertips or your knuckles forward as much as you can, getting the deepest stretch possible. Notice if you feel any pain, back out. Breathe, don't hold your breath here. Inhale, we'll come back through center. Shake out our arms. Then our hands come back up onto the horizon. This time, switch your grip. So my left thumb is on top of my right now. So the wonky way. We're going to inhale through center. Then exhale, begin to round our upper back, chin to chest as my knuckles are reaching forward, breathing. Stick with your breath here. Again, soften through your knees, breathe, don't hold it. Reach a little bit farther if you can. Then inhale, we'll all come back through center, shake out our arms. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, we're gonna forward fold, hinging from our hips. Option to bring your hands to your legs or maybe a chair, a table, your desk. You can even grab opposite elbows here. Again, taking a deep bend in your knees. Let's take our gaze back behind us and really allow your spine to lengthen towards the ground. So the top of my head is trying to reach the floor, and I'm softly bringing my weight into the balls of my feet. We're trying to lengthen and decompress our spine, allowing it to really stretch out with every exhale. So sending our breath intentionally in between each vertebrae when we inhale. And then exhale, allowing your body to release any tension. Again, bringing that gaze behind you. Try not to look directly down at the floor. If you'd like, you can begin to take organic movement, shifting from side to side, maybe straightening bending in one knee and then straightening out the other to get a deeper stretch in your leg. Eyes can be open or closed, and remember to breathe here. If your hands are on a desk or on a chair or something, you can still take this organic movement, shifting your hips from side to side. When you're ready, we'll all come back through center. As we inhale, slowly roll all the way up to standing. Head is the last thing to come up. Quick little neck stretch here. So I'm going to take my right hand behind me, palm face away. Inhale, left hand comes up and over to the right side of my head. I'm gonna reach tall and then exhale, left ear to left shoulder. If this is too much of a stretch, bring that hand right down beside you. Again, small amount of pressure here. Inhale, come back through center. This time my left hand comes behind me, palm face away. Inhale, right arm lifts. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Breathing down this left side of my neck. Weight is light in my hand. Inhale, come back through center. And then we're just gonna take our head chin to chest and then drop it back. Very slow motion. So inhale through center, exhale, chin to chest, and then gently drop it back. Moving very slowly, being very gentle. All right, we'll all come back through center, standing in our Tadasana, rooting down through our feet. Let's take our hands forward, palms face forward, or you can have your hands down by your side. Roll your shoulders up to your ears and down your back. Lower belly pulls in as you lengthen through your spine. Take this moment to thank yourself for getting in a little bit of movement today and flowing along. We'll inhale, arms reach up overhead, palms touch, exhale, hands come through heart center. Thank you guys so much for flowing with me today. It's always an honor, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.